Welcome back. This is the installation of my Ender 3 Max 3D printer I unboxed in my previous video. Hope you enjoy it. I started out the installation by first reading the installation manual and labeling the size of the screws. The screw packs did not have any labels on them. Before installing the gantry frame to the base, I removed the carborundum glass from the bed. Swing the two front clips holding the glass, and then lift and pull it out from the back clips. The next step is fixing the gantry frame to the base. Place the gantry over the base, and align the holes on the gantry legs to the holes on the base frame. Use the provided M5 by 65 mm socket head cap screws and tighten them. It's now time to install the power supply unit. Use the 2M by 25 mm socket button head screws and fix it behind the right-hand side of the gantry leg. Next, I installed the user interface screen. The screen is installed on the base frame, front right side of the machine. Just in case my position description has confused you, the back side of the machine is where the Y-stepper motor is. Use the M5 by 10 mm button head cap screws. I will next assemble and install the spool holder. First, screw the spool roller to the rack. You then fix the whole thing on the left base frame at the back. The spool holder is designed to rotate 90 degrees. I made a quick check of all the screws on the machine for proper tightness. This is important as some screws may have gotten loose during transportation. Let's continue and replace the glass platform back. Insert the glass into the back clips and then lock the front clips. It's now time to plug in the cables for the stepper motors and limit switches. These are clearly labeled, and it was easy and quick to plug them all. I also connected the UI screen to the controller. The last step was connecting the cable from the power supply unit to the controller. There you have it, all done with the installation. Time for the first print. I did level the platform before I began printing but lost the video footage. It is a crucial step before you even think of printing. The model I printed was the 3D Benchy, which is great to test the quality of your prints and fine-tune the printer. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching.